A hedge fund prospectus is a formal document that provides details about an investment offering. The hedge fund prospectus can help qualified accredited investors make a more informed decision because it contains relevant information about the investment or security and the strategy. Hey, it's Frank Nagy and welcome to my channel where we help financial entrepreneurs grow their business in the financial markets. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Most hedge fund offering documents consist of the following set of documents: the private placement memorandum, or PPM, the subscription agreement, and the limited partnership agreement. The crux of a hedge fund offering is your private placement memorandum or prospectus. Within your PPM contains the following important topics: your summary, directory, introduction, investment activities of the fund, management company of the fund, administrator, auditor, and risk factors. This is the way I typically prepare the offering documents for my clients, which are always reviewed by one of my qualified securities attorneys, depending on each situation and jurisdiction. The summary. Your summary will contain the name of your fund and the name of your general partner and investment manager. Directory. The directory located in your prospectus consists of all the names and contact details of your service providers of the fund, and these providers are called the registered office, auditor, administrator, general partner, investment manager, prime broker, bankers and custodians, fund and general partner, legal counsel. Introduction. The introduction portion consists of an overview of your fund. The overview of your PPM addresses the name of the fund, its address and contact person, which might be you. It also should describe your fund offering. It also states that only accredited investors should be qualified to invest in your hedge fund. Investment activities of the fund. This section describes your investment strategy and approach, as well as your risk management pertaining to your operations. Hiring experienced hedge fund consultant like Frank Nagy Financial Services will greatly reduce the burden of setting up your hedge fund. A good consultant will make the appropriate introductions to fund administrators, auditors, and attorneys that will help your fund grow. Management of the company fund. This section states who is the manager of your fund and where they are located and domiciled. It also addresses you, the general partner, will have exclusive control over the day-to-day operations of your fund. Administrator. Pursuant to your administration agreement between your fund and the administrator, this section will address the duties of your administrator. Your administrator will perform administrative tasks like accounting, clerical services to your fund, as well as providing AML, KYC due diligence on each prospective investor. The auditor. Your hedge fund auditor will evaluate and audit your administrator's financial reports once completed, and this report will be provided to your investors once a year. Risk factors. You will identify the risk factors associated with your trading strategy to your prospective investor. The risk factors should be brief and generic and do not have to apply to all the funds and trading strategies, only to the ones that apply to you. Subscription agreement. Your hedge fund subscription agreement is a contract to become a member, or partner, or shareholder investor in your limited partnership or corporation of your fund. The subscription agreement requires the potential investor to divulge financial information relative to his suitability to invest in your hedge fund. It also should state that the amount of capital your potential investor will invest in your fund. Hey, if you're looking to start a hedge fund, I suggest that you contact me for a free consultation to discuss this lucrative opportunity.